Hey guys, if you would like to monetize your Instagram account, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, get logged into your Instagram account, tap onto your profile, and you're going to have to first switch your account to a professional account. In my case, I already have a professional account. If you do not have it yet, select three bar icon. Scroll below and somewhere here you will see account controls and tools. In my case, I have it right here. So tap onto it, select switch to professional account, select next, and select any of these categories that fits you. Switch to professional account, wait for this to load, and select if it's going to be creator or business. Select continue, and these are all the things that you should do. Like this is step 1 of 5. First of all, you should complete your profile, add a website if you have any, add a good bio. You can do it later. I'm going to skip this. Now come into your homepage and now you can see your dashboard. Now let's go ahead and select your dashboard. Now these are all the tools that you can access if you have a professional account. Under for professional tools, select monetization. Now select continue or next. And as you see that I have not yet fulfilled all these criteria because I'm still in under 1 of 6 steps completed. For all the steps to be completed, you're going to have to go in very details about what type of content you will create, your category, if you are an artist, if you are a beauty influencer, and all of that in details. So once you complete all of these steps, come back onto your dashboard, select monetization, and you will see a different screen here. And it will ask you to partner with brand. And in order to get a brand dealership, you have to create a content, and then this is how you can monetize your Instagram account by brand deals and also earn money by posting.